Stock number 40390R. It's a 2016 Honda Pilot. It does have a key. It does not start. It's a rollover. Front bumper's no good. Hood's no good. Passenger side front fender's no good. Passenger side rear side mirror's no good. Passenger side door's no good. Passenger side back door's got dents right there. Some paint problems and dent right there. Passenger side quarter panel's no good. Tail light's broken. Passenger side. The rear bumper's got paint problems right there and a dent. Same thing all along back here on the thing. It's just paint problems. Paint problems. And then the driver's side back door's got a parking lot ding right there. You can see up there it's got a dent. The driver door's no good. It's damaged with all that. The steering wheel airbag is deployed, the driver roof airbag is deployed, the driver's seat airbag is deployed, the passenger roof airbag is deployed, the passenger dash airbag is deployed, the driver's seat belt's locked. It does have a key, it does not start. It's a rollover. You can see the steering wheel airbag, dash airbag, passenger side, passenger roof, driver roof. Airbags are all deployed. Well, it does have a key. See, it would try to start, but it doesn't turn over. The stereo's broken, but it's still turned on. It's got glass up here on the driver's side. You see. There's the passenger side. Get the glove box. Does have third row seating. You see interior's in pretty good condition. It does have the thing for video back here. It's got the heater adjustment, AC adjustment back here. This door barely opens. Again, this is stock number 40390R. It's a 2016 Honda Pilot.